morning, legends. Hope you're all well. Sorry about the background noise. I'll try and explain. Shh. Today's all about trying to fulfill an old dream. We used to have this beautiful Doberman called Max, which we had from a rescue place, and I always fancied the idea of going on a big long hike as we used to do with him, and then crashing out in the little camper van somewhere up in the hills. Unfortunately, he never got to see the camper van. He died very young, poor lad. But we now have the camper van, and if you haven't already met, we've got this lunatic. This is Tilly. This is Hattie's dog, and so today I'm going to try and recreate that dream. Meeting up with the legend himself. He's van camping it up there. Going on a good 6 or 7 mile hike with the dog. Hopefully get back, she'll be knackered, she'll chill out in the van, we can have a couple of beers and cook some tea and have a good old natter. That's the dream. We'll see how it goes. Come on, Yilty. This is Tilly. This is Hattie's dog. He's an English pointer. See it? She's a bit nervous at the moment, so I'm sure she'll liven up when we get out. But anyway, here's the legend. We're going for a walk on a bit of Shropshire Way, a bit of Jack Mitten Way, mixed it up. We're doing about 7 mile, just enough to get the old lungs pumping, and then we'll come back to the vans and have a swift one.
Stock up, get a drink, go for a pint, it's up to you. But anyway, he's wanting to film, so I best shush.
We're supposed to be in there.
Oh right, so now he informs me we're supposed to be the other side.
Yeah. Well, just, you know, it's a fine line on the map.
Yeah.
Just like to thank today's sponsor, Ordnance Survey. Yeah, the route's in there. It is a bit of a path. But we're adapting and overcoming as we do. So we're in the forest. It's a nicer path. Just trying to stay with it. Fucking hell. This thing can smell every pheasant that's ever lived. Livened right up now. Hey, I don't need any help walking downhill. Oh, she's seen that. Alright, chill out. It's just a bird. Hey, look, he's forming a little bond there. Wow, that's a big old tree gone. Here we are. Recognise that. Now we just walked past a chute back there, and they let off a bit of a barrage as we walked through, so poor old Tilly did not like that. It's calmed her right down. So she's looking to get back to the van now and hide under the table probably. Yeah. One for the Druid Rambler.
I do miss the Druid Rambler.
Oh no, yeah, drive and passion. Right, we're just going back into the forest now, heading up there, and that'll take us back to the top of Wenlock Edge. So there may be some puffing and panting going on. Okay, I've come up with this idea. I'm just going to find this big field, and we know where we are. It's going to let her off for a little runabout, but I may regret it. Go. See what she does, just pops off. View, couldn't see that this morning, but there's the old Titterstone. Okay, nearly at the vans now, so we're going to get in and get kettle on. Till he wants to go around again. and relax.
Just move your nose around.
Just
so you're not
chilling out in the van. I haven't filmed for a little bit. Mr. Parks has turned up.
Evening all, how are we?
He's brought Milo with him. And look at these pair. Tilly's knackered. They've had a little sniff of each other's arses and done all that thing, but just for the moment, they're just fast asleep.
Chilling.
That won't last though. Right, 6 o'clock. It's getting dark already. That's all the lights are coming on. Right, David is organising us chicken korma, aren't you?
Yes, chicken korma with mushrooms, if that's all right.
Oh, go on then.
Yeah.
I'm just putting some chips and beer battered onion rings in the oven, so they'll be about right. So yeah, we've been putting the world to rights. Tilly's having her dinner. You all right, mate? Enjoying that? She's been all right, actually. I was a bit apprehensive, but she's settled in. Got a new dog friend to play with, old Milo. So we're doing all right. So we're going to have some tea and then another couple of drinks. Probably have a really late night by going to bed about 8:30. Relaxed, relaxed. Dave's doing the cooking. We'll see what he's conjuring up. Dark already. Bloody winter. Let's have a look what's going on in the Dave Outdoors quarters.
All
What's
right,
happening, Mon?
Have a goose in there, mate. The korma's just gone in. We've got chicken and mushroom. And we've just gone for a medium one tonight.
Okay, so are you lobbing that in with the same thing, are you?
Yeah, I'll cook it all in there. I'll run through jalapenos and peppers, mate. It would have been nice, wouldn't it? But unfortunately,
If only you'd have said.
Oh, hang on. Hot chili and peppers.
Okay, we'll take them. Peri peri rice.
So yeah, I'm just going to let
Poppadoms.
that...
What's
Yeah,
that,
we've got
this
pomfret.
fridge, mate? What's this gadget?
I know. You can have a look in there.
Oh, I love that sticker.
Oh, I appreciate that, mate.
Russ.
So we got bacon for the
great,
morning,
it is.
which is lovely and cold now. Beers. I could even bring milk now, mate.
Oh,
Yeah. I've just got to... hey, your subscribers might know. What
I
can
doubt it.
Yeah, we'll ask them anyway. I need some edging trim. What do they suggest just to go around here to cover the gap?
well, we can knock you up a bit of 30x10 from work if you want, mate.
Mate, you knock me up enough. We'll let your subscribers sort that out.
Oh, you twat. I'll sort you out some trim, Mon. Bit of PVC mited, whatever
That's what
you
I'm
want.
thinking, PVC.
Yeah.
Or I was going to use something like that, but that's too much, I think. That is with PVC, I think.
Is it fixed?
Yeah, I fixed it in.
So
yeah.
you just need to vent it, really.
I
Do
was
you
gonna
need
keep the
to
gap at the
vent
top.
it? Do you need a bit of ventilation?
Yeah, I think I'll drill a hole in the floor and put one of those.
Would have been great if you'd cut it straight, wouldn't you? It would be brilliant, but
Has anyone
okay.
ever told you how much of a prick you can be at times? Well, that's good. I like your.
Alright, we're going to check on the chips. I've got chips and onion rings in the oven. Dave's going to bring over the main meal.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to this. And I'm
Smells
going to have a
nice,
quick waz in the bush and then we're going to tuck in. Morning all. Well, apologies, kind of missed a bit out last night. We were in bed at 8:30. But it's Sunday morning. The clocks have gone back, so we've got an extra hour. I've just taken Tilly up the lane and emptied her, as you do. Kettle's on. So I carry a teapot in the van, so it's a lot easier just to boil up one lot. Fill up the teapot and then just keep supping away. Got the TV on. Tilly's under the table. She was good as gold last night. No bother at all. She can come again. Put the heater on for a bit just to warm it up. A quick tidy up, and then I'm going to go and chat to Mr. Rob Arts, who is awake. There's the old wanker.
Good morning.
Good morning. Tilly's made herself a bed on here, on my teddy bear fleece duvet cover. Come on, darling. Put her back to bed, I think. Bit early for you, isn't it? Can't even bet you can't see her. Alright. So yeah, tea there. We're going to get the grill out now and cook some sausages. Dave's in charge of the bacon. Rich is asleep. And then we'll have a bit of brekkie and then we'll head on back home, I think. I just walked the dog again up the lane, sitting on the table for some reason. We're all done, we've had breakfast, we've had a couple of cups of tea, put the well to rights, Rich has gone, Dave's just warming his van up, and we're off. So that'll be a little short video, doing this more regularly. So good hike, night in the van, bring the dog, so we're doing a bit more of that. So you won't see much tent action for a while, but there is something in store. Right, so I'm going to crack on, and I will see you on the next little adventure. Bye bye.
What's going on?